Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at ways to update other Microsoft products using Windows Update. For a more in-depth look at the subject, we will link an article in the description down below. Open Settings. Go to Update and Security. Then Advanced Options. You should see one that says Receive Updates for other Microsoft products when you update Windows. Toggle that to On. After that, restart your system to let the changes take effect. For more helpful hacks, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content to help you become the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.